so simple and delicious. If I don't dump it on the floor, the family will enjoy it tonight for dinner. But we've got juicy skillet chicken, we've got garlicky sauteed spinach, and then we've got nutty quinoa dotted with some tangy goat cheese.
A healthy, flavorful, and filling meal that is very quick and easy to pull together. Begin by bringing the chicken stock, olive oil, and salt to a boil in a saucepan, and then pour in the quinoa and stir it well to prevent the grains from sticking. Then you're going to turn the heat down to low and put the lid on top, allowing it to cook for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, in the largest frying pan you have, heat olive oil and place your chicken breasts onto the hot pan. Season with salt and pepper. Tilt the pan to allow the oil to run under the meat, just to help it so that it doesn't stick. Cover the pan to keep the heat and moisture trapped inside the pan while you're cooking the chicken. When one side is browned about 5 to 7 minutes later, flip the chicken over and brown the other side. Once again, you're going to cover the pan with a lid or aluminum foil until the chicken is fully cooked through, which only takes about 5 minutes more. Remove the chicken and let it rest on a plate while you add more oil to the pan and pile in those fresh spinach leaves. It looks like too much for the pan, and kinda is, but it is going to wilt quickly. Season with salt and freshly cracked pepper, add a splash of chicken stock, and cover the pan to allow it to steam the spinach. You can see how much it's wilted in just a few minutes. And at this point, give that partially wilted spinach a stir and add the thinly sliced fresh garlic. Cover it again and let it heat through and finish cooking for just a few more minutes. And then you can begin plating it up. And by this time, the quinoa is fully cooked through and the juicy chicken can be sliced. Add some tangy goat cheese if you'd like, and dinner is served in about 30 minutes, probably less.
And great news, only 2 pans, well, a pot and a pan, to clean up.
You can find this recipe and many more at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.